Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying your summer. So I really hope someone's watching these videos because I want you to see these lilies that I've been waiting to have open. Take a look at these beauties. Oh my gosh. Love them. And fourth graders, you should be able to recognize the parts of the flower. And not just do I have one pot, but I've got two. And this isn't the only place I have them. I have them over by my shed over there too. So yes, I love my lilies. Now some other plants I've been sharing with you. My hydrangea. Still just starting to emerge, but it's really cool. You can actually see I've got different colors of the same plant. That means I have different pH balance of my soil, probably wherever the plant is touching. So kind of cool. I have some purple, pink, and blue. But let's check out the garden. Wow, look at it grow. But I've always been showing you guys these two plants. Yes, that's just two plants right there of my green beans. But we're going to take a closer look because you see some flowers, but hopefully you also see the starts of green beans. I've got a few in there now. And those are all the flowers of what's going to become yellow summer squash. Now, if you look carefully, see if I can point it out. Right there, there's the start of one. I actually think there's at least 3 in there. Okay. Then the tomatoes and basil. Now, I don't have any tomatoes starting, but we've been using this basil. And then back there, and they're starting to climb, are my cantaloupe. Now what's really cool, take a look at the cantaloupe plant. So again, this is something that 4th grade was learning about, some adaptations or behaviors or structures that different plants or animals have. So if you look, see this very thin line? It's not a root. What happens is this thing will coil around and help the plant climb. If you look carefully, you'll see that right over there. And it helps the plant climb. So that's an adaptation that the cantaloupe has. Well, guess what? Cucumbers have the same thing. And these are my cucumbers. Same thing. Okay, and my lettuce, I've been having some wonderful salads. My mom just informed me that I should enjoy it as best as I can right now because lettuce does not grow very well when it gets really hot out. So we have been enjoying that in our salads. Okay, the next thing I want to show you were the swallowtails. So they've all made a chrysalis now. Look at that cool color. And they are awesome at camouflaging. You might think, well, that doesn't look very camouflage. Well, look at the coloring of the container where it was when it made that chrysalis. I also think it's such a cool shape to the chrysalis. And maybe you can see it on here too. Do you see that one in there? Kind of cool. It's also cool how they attach to it. But so far, I've just shown you the green ones. Watch what happens when it attaches to a stick. Isn't that cool? The exact same butterfly having its environment on here is a stick and it's brown. Its chrysalis, whoop, it's not focusing, also changed color. Really cool. And that's a swallowtail. So hopefully I'll still have these when they emerge from there and continue to film for you guys.